What's going on, everybody?
Welcome back to the vlog.
We are finished this project and we're gonna do a full backyard tour of this entire makeover and show you every little detail that we did. It's gonna be sick.
Let's go.
We'll start right up here with a little landing coming out of the house. This was the existing door to the house. We've added another one on the other side, but this is essentially a landing into the backyard. This area is our first spot to make a transition in elevation because we do have a challenging grade here. So we step down one out of the house and then this little foyer. Then we have 2 steps down onto our main outdoor deck here. Now let's check out the outdoor kitchen.
Come on, let's go. All right, now here we have our wonderful outdoor kitchen. There are so many features we packed into this, and it actually is our largest outdoor kitchen to date. So, first of all, let's start off with the decked in. This stuff is bomb-proof. It's so easy to clean. It is a man-made product. It's a 2cm product. Don't call it a 3/4. You will get laughed at. But it is so easy to clean. It is not gonna absorb water, it's not gonna absorb your products, it's gonna stay looking like this, beautiful, for many, many years to come. Perfect, a little expensive, but definitely worth it. Then next we have our bar sink. What could be better? You don't have to go inside to wash your dishes, you can do everything right here. I can't show it to you though because it is the winter and the pipes would freeze, so it is currently off. But you got the idea, it's gonna be working. We got your grills. For when you have all your friends over, you can cook as many burgers and dogs and portobello mushroom faux burgers or whatever you want, whatever your thing is, you can cook it here. So in addition to all of this extra storage that we gave them, all of these drawers and little nooks, we also put in a mini fridge. So when you want your beers or your sodas or your waters or whatever, we got that covered in this beautiful fridge. Sean, you want a beer?
It's actually the work day, so that is inappropriate.
Okay. Well, eventually maybe Sean will want a beer and he might want to open it with this bottle opener. And we spent many, many hours R&Ding to make sure that the trajectory of the bottle cap will fall into this small bottle cap receptacle.
Now, one of the things to keep in mind when we built this outdoor kitchen was fitting in as many appliances as possible. When you have that, a lot of times on an outdoor kitchen, people are gonna want a stone facade, but we decided to use decorators on the front here so that everything is nice and flat. Most of it is occupied with appliances anyway, and this way, it kind of just blends into the background, keeps it nice, clean, linear, and sleek.
Oh wait, I didn't even tell you about this little area. So what we did was we built this custom bench to look like it's growing out of the kitchen wall. We cladded this wall in adorned stone in the color Porch, and I think it really makes a clean look, but we wanted to make these spaces look like they really went together. So what we did was we scribed these boards to look like they are really growing out of the wall. We folded these decorators boards to really create that cascading waterfall effect, and I think it looks really, really clean. That is decorators in Costa, and then if you come over here, you can see we added this beautiful accent in Tundra to really just, you know, give a little complimentary nice look to it, which then comes down onto this patio. And
so what we decided on the patio was to go with these really large slabs, and typically what you see us do is a crazy design with inlays and all that kind of stuff. So we really had to throttle that back here and keep it super clean, classy, sleek, modern. So it's just this simple running bond pattern with the large slabs, simple border. I really had to show some restraint on this design to keep it this clean, but I think it was for the best of the overall designs. I love it.
All right, let's go see what's going on the top deck.
Welcome. We're here in the main part of the outdoor living space, and recognize that guy? One of my favorites. Anyway, we're in the screen porch area and get a little buggy. I wish we had something for some screens. Whoa! Remote control screens! These things are really awesome. It's the first time we've done remote controlled screens, so when it's nice out and it's time like this, there actually wasn't any bugs today, we can have these all up, the wind's blowing through, it's a nice, beautiful, clear view. But for those summer nights when you got some skeeters out here, you can draw those down and everything is gonna be bug free. So it's not just a party trick here. I think they're gonna get a lot of functionality out of them and maybe look super cool.
So to make this place feel even homier, we added a rather large TV with, you know that guy, and also this gas fireplace. This thing is so nice because all you have to do is come over here, press a button. Couldn't be easier, and also, fun party trick, you can change the color for whatever you're thinking. Maybe you have like some sort of Eagles Super Bowl to watch. You can put it on green.
Go Birds!
Or for whatever team or festive occasion you want. So as you can see, we also platted this with the adorned stone in the color birch, the same ones that we put on the kitchen wall. One of the design challenges that we faced on this wall was how we were gonna tie together the trim on a 45-degree angle and make it all look nice. I think that we nailed it with this decorator's board that then ties perfectly into the PVC trim.
Hey, so one of the next features I want to talk about here is all of our wall and ceiling details. On the back wall and the side walls, basically everything underneath of our roof structure, we went with the UFP Edge in Arctic Mist. This is their Native Woods collection. We went with this because it is almost fully white, but it's not like a painted white shiplap. You still see a little bit of the wood grain, which we wanted for a little texture. It is outside, so we wanted that slightly more natural look, and that pairs perfectly with the vertical grain hemlock ceiling. Personally, my favorite feature of this whole space. This ceiling is definitely my favorite ceiling that we've done so far. The natural variation in the colors of the wood just looks amazing, and it's all end matched, so you don't even have to break those over top of a rafter. They tie together really nice. I loved the installation and more importantly, loved the look of this. Let's check out a nice little feature that we like to add to a lot of our projects. We've got this little bar area. In this space, we wanted to add a little bit more seating by building this little bar area over top of the decorator's cable rail, just plopping it right over top of those posts. We were able to create a spot for at least 4 stools, and once these are open, this is a nice serving station where you can put food on here, and it doesn't take up too much space, which is awesome. So with the dining set, the conversation area, and the 4 bar stools, we are able to fit 17 seats up in the screened-in porch.
Well, I think that's pretty much it for our walkthrough video.
Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit like and subscribe, and now enjoy this epic drone video montage of this awesome project. Until next time, this has been Premier Outdoor Living.
Oh yeah, we also did heaters.
Filming?
All right, come on, let's go to the kitchen. What kind of material is this, Sean? Come on, let's go look at it. And in addition to all of this storage that they
You just talked about the storage, yeah.
I know, I was adding that. It's a proven. Aren't you supposed to be back here now? This was, how are we gonna make this 45-degree angled die? Because this is a complicated angled wall. So we cladded it with this so we cladded it with these decorators boards and Costa. And what did you say? Okay.
Well, that's pretty much it for this project walkthrough. Let's do the whole thing.
Well, I think that's pretty much it for this walkthrough.
Sorry, I don't know. I was thrown off for
What?
some reason. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Well, I think this is pretty much it for our walkthrough video.
Hope you enjoyed this project.
I threw you off again.
This has been Premier
Outdoor living!